Hi guys, so today is Sunday. It's almost 4 o'clock and we really haven't been doing anything today. We had a meeting, of course. I cleaned up around the house and my whole plan for today was to get some chili from Houston's, which I did, but I also wanted to go and get some boiled seafood. But it's just with the weather and everything, and it's supposedly like starting to freeze. I didn't want to, that was like in a total different direction than Houston's, so I just went to Houston's. I also went to Home Goods. I'm gonna show y'all this bed that I got Rue. I liked it and I feel like he liked it, but he wasn't really comfortable in it because it like swayed. I'm gonna insert a picture so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I had to take it back to Home Goods. And so now I am we're headed to Target. Right now we stopped at the restaurant to get something my mom left in the refrigerator, but we're stopping at Target. I placed a pickup order, so we're gonna go pick that up. I'm gonna get some gas, and then I'm gonna end up getting dinner for today from Papados, I believe. So the chili is for tomorrow, and today I'm gonna have Papados. So yeah, real chill Sunday. It's real nasty, real cold outside. It's 33 degrees right now. So we are picking stuff up to get back in the house. Well, look at my mom. Rather than putting the jacket on, she has it on top of her head. She has a hat on. She has 2 masks on. And earlier she had a shield on. So right now we're about to go to Target. Oh, and we have to go to Starbucks. What are you getting from Starbucks, Mom?
I'm gonna get a medicine ball, and then I'm gonna get a lemonade, ice cold lemonade.
Oh no, I'm gonna get a lemonade from Papados
with passion tea.
I'm gonna get a medicine ball to drink right now, and then I'm going to get a strawberry lemonade from Go. What are you eating for dinner?
My chili. I'm gonna make my chili
today.
Probably, yeah. Make my chili and I'll eat on that for a couple of days. Maybe then I got some chicken noodle soup.
Alright y'all, so I got ingredients to make some corn chowder. What kind of, do y'all like soup? I'm not really like a soup person, but I like corn chowder. So I'm gonna make some, probably not tomorrow, but Tuesday, because I'm gonna have my chili tomorrow. See y'all, I have my, okay, my hair is just, let me move this to the back. So I have like all of my meals planned out because I don't plan on leaving the house tomorrow or Tuesday. I work from home, so that's not really an issue. So yeah, I'm just planning on working from home, staying inside. I do want to take some, oh, okay, so I saw this cute set, but my mom went to get it and they wouldn't let her buy it because I guess it was like recalled or something, so she didn't end up getting it. Do I know her? Her Crocs are too little, whoever she is. Anyway, I couldn't get the set that I wanted, long story short. So I had to find some other cute PJs because I want to get some content sitting by the fireplace with like hot chocolate. And my mom got Rue this really cute sweater. So of course I'm going to show you guys him. Okay, my mom needs to hurry up. See, this is why I don't like when my mom comes with me, because literally every time we have to make extra stops that I didn't plan on making, and it always makes me late or miss out or something of the sort, and I'm pissed because I have my mind set on that salad for 1, and for 2, what else did I want? Oh, I really wanted some key lime pie, but I got some turtle strawberries yesterday from the Cheesecake Queen. don't sleep on her. Make sure you book with the Cheesecake Queen. And what else did I get? I got some turtle strawberries, and I got some, oh, I got a lime congeal, but I really wanted that key lime pie. I should have, okay. So my first mind was that I was gonna get something at Houston's. I was gonna get the Hawaiian ribeye, but they don't want to let you take, like, they only have certain things that they'll let you get to go, and I feel like that's so stupid. But anyway, I'll come back to y'all when I figure out what I'm gonna eat. I think I'm gonna get some not crawfish, but probably like some crab legs. I'm gonna get some crab legs. I'm not even gonna get shrimp today. I'm getting crab legs, and I'm getting king crab legs because that's what I deserve, because I have to drive all the way over there and get it because Papados is closed. So I'll be back. Would have been on time. Who thinks they're closing at 4 on a Sunday and it's Valentine's Day? Okay, not get snowed in. Yo, my mom just said that I need to get some gas because we may get snowed in.
Yes.
We are not gonna get snowed in.
Everybody's cars need to be filled up with gas just in case.
No, we're not getting snowed in.
Did you read the letter? It said have your go bag ready and have your cars filled up.
Yeah, that's for natural disasters. This isn't gonna be a natural disaster.
Well, you never know how it's gonna be. All the power lines could freeze up and pop a loose.
Not Papa loose.
Yeah. Well, when I was growing up in Dallas, and when it used to freeze, the power lines would freeze and break. We wouldn't have electricity for a minute.
Yeah, that's what they said, that they're supposed to be without power in East Texas.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's why you want to have your gas. You want to have your car filled up.
Well,
in case you
we
gotta
ain't
move
gonna
around
go
for
nowhere.
somewhere else.
We're not gonna go nowhere, no way.
You never know. You need to just stop and fill your car up.
It's too cold. Okay, let me put this down. Oh, I gotta put it here. We're at Boston Market. I'm getting some raspberry lemonade because stupid Papados is closed, and I planned on getting a strawberry lemonade from there. So we're here. Let me put this cup back here.
I got
Here, put this back there, Mom. What's taking him so long? Is he by himself?
I got these.
Oh yeah. Hello. 517. No. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. You too. Okay. Y'all, I hate when they handle money with those nasty gloves and then they touch whatever they're giving you with the same gloves. Like, so disgusting. But we got our lemonade. And where are we headed now?
Starbucks.
Yeah, so I said I was gonna get my crab. Oh, it's snowing!
Hurry so we can get home.
It's snowing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's 100% chance of snowing all night long. So we're gonna have to go out and catch the snow.
Tomorrow.
No, at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh,
who said that?
Sister
Who
Gibson.
said that?
Sister Gibson.
Somebody said they were gonna have to go out and catch the snow.
Which Starbucks are you going to?
By the house. But yeah, we're going to Starbucks. I said I was gonna get my crab legs, but I don't feel like driving all the way over there, and it's starting to snow. I saw snow. What they call it? Snowflake.
Snow flurries.
No, it's snowflakes coming down.
Yeah, but snow flurries.
No, this isn't a flurry. This was a few flakes coming down.
An inexperienced snow person telling me, and I grew up.
No, it's
this
not
type
snow
of weather.
flurries. Snow flurries is when you have continuous snowflakes for short periods of time.
No, if you watch...
Let's look up the definition.
If you watch the meteorologist tonight...
He's not gonna say...
And they'll tell you...
Okay, but a snow flurry is composed... hold the camera, Mom. A snow flurry is composed of snowfleks. I need to get a mount.
Yeah, why don't you have one?
Why don't you get me one?
Oh, no, you buy everything else. You just went and bought 15 different items in the last 2 hours. You could have bought one then.
Anyway.
Nothing that you're thinking about, so.
Anyway, we're headed to Starbucks. Oh.
Yeah, you need to get a mount like Boo.
I'm good.
A mount for your phone, a mount for your camera.
Yeah.
And you should have brought Pooda today.
No, we acted up. We've been out too long.
Wonder what he's gonna do when he comes out to Yuzu in the snow. I don't think he's gonna go out. If he sees snow.
I don't have no pads for him. I wonder if he knows how to use it on the pad.
Pad?
Like the potty pads.
No, he doesn't know anything about a potty pad.
He may.
No. Why does he need a potty pad?
In case he doesn't want to pee in the snow.
You gotta take his butt out there and pee in the snow.
Y'all, we are at Whiskey Cake. I ordered the salmon and my mom ordered the bacon and egg salad that we always get. So,
where's my receipt?
I gotta, she hadn't come back yet with it.
I'm ready to be home.
Of course you are.
It's cold outside. I am ready. Today is Sunday, and this is the day where I rest and relax. On Sundays, where I don't want to do anything. Nothing.
You haven't done anything.
I got up today, and I did, what did I do?
You don't even know.
Oh, yes, I did. I was on the phone helping out
I was
someone,
up cleaning.
Helping someone, and that was my sacred service for today. And then we had the meeting, and then now we're here.
Let me go check. Nobody in there has a mask on, of course.
What you mean?
None of the people eating, and it's packed with people.
Oh, but the workers.
Yeah, the workers have theirs on.
Yeah, but you don't stand by those people's tables. You need to put a shield on.
I'm not by no table. I'm over in the corner.
You need to put your shield on, because that's how this stuff is spreading.
I have 2 masks. My hair isn't good for shield.
Yeah, it's fine.
No.
No, this is
I can't even see.
I can. And I put it on. Yeah. Put your shield on and be careful going into these restaurants picking up food.
Okay, y'all, let's go in here and see what these lazy girls are doing. Y'all just missed how my mom just clowned at this Starbucks.
No, I didn't clown. You just can't let people treat you any kind of way and tell you anything, especially when they want to be lazy.
Y'all, so we're at Starbucks. They're closing early because of the weather. We ordered medicine balls, but they said they couldn't make them because they didn't have the peach tea. Okay, well, she puts a trash can behind my car so to stop the drive-through. And then when I pull up and say that I want to order it, even though they don't have all the ingredients, she's like, oh no, we're closed. So I pull up to the window and they're locking the window, and my mom starts blowing the horn so that they could come to the window, and she's screaming at them.
Ask Mandy to ring my thing up twice. Tell her to ring it up twice.
Yeah, that's what I told her yesterday.
And I don't want it for free. Ring it up twice.
Yeah, that's what she asked me.
No? He said it that time.
Okay, so what is you writing on? Does she need to pay for it?
That's pretty.
$77.47.
To ring
Two
the phone.
separate transactions.
$373.
Okay, you can hold it back. Hold it, take it back, and then. Yeah.
Okay, $373.
Yeah, she does. This girl does.
Here.
Here's one.
Thank
here's the
you.
other one. Thank you. Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Y'all, she is like a freaking wildebeest. She's so rude, so nasty, and I don't know why I come here. Look at all these people behind me
What do you mean?
that was trying to get a drink too.
Oh.
So now we're headed home after all of these shenanigans. We've probably been to 30 places trying to get in before the weather. McDonald's line is long.
They ain't closing.
They say make it home how you can. Okay guys, so we're back at home. I currently have you set up in the cabinet because that's just where you gotta be. But what is all that? Oh, okay, so have y'all tried this? The cran mango is so good to me. If you haven't tried it, you should go try it. Here is what I got from Houston. So this is the chili. This is supposed to be for 2 people. So maybe once I warm it up, let me smell it. It smells okay. Maybe once I warm it up, it'll be okay. And then it came with some tortilla chips. And your chips are always good. What is that? I always get their cheese bread. So oh, my battery's dying. And it comes with cheese. Plus I have jalapenos, but I don't have any jalapenos, so oh well. Real quick, we get this salad from Whiskey Cake. It's literally so bomb. And then today, it pressed my stuff in. Oh my god. Today I am trying this salmon and it looks so good. Like, look, I can't really show y'all, but it looks so good. And then of course we had to get the famous Whiskey Cake. So my battery is dying, you guys. I'll probably check in with you guys a little bit later after we eat. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the food that we got. So yeah, I'll check in with y'all a little bit later.